Welcome back, my Don and Donettes. Darren from the Fragrancedon TFD, where we talk and review fragrances. Make sure you like and subscribe. Today we've got one from Fragrance World, Violet Sapphire. Now you know I've got here we go, mocha wood from Fragrance World, which is a nice, beautiful, chocolatey and velvety. So they have a few in the line. So I thought, let me check out their other one. Box feels quite velvety actually. Yeah, velvety, nice. There's information in there. Bottom, you've got your number, batch code, etc. But we don't worry about the box. Here is the bottle. Very nice indeed. Look at the cap. It's got nice embroidery on it, and it has the same crisscross like shape, and then the name on the front, Violet Sapphire, and then underneath you've got a little information and stuff. But yeah, the bottle is gorgeous, very weighty and heavy, and it's even got a little inscription on the cap there as well. So yeah, the presentation, the bottle is really nice. I like it. And as you can see, the bottle's purple. I don't know if the juice is purple, but the bottle is purple. It looks quite see-through actually. So yeah, this came out in 2018, and it's supposed to be a clone of Boadicea, the Victorious. I had to write it down. Boadicea the Victorious. That's a purple bottle. It's like a round shape. You'll see a picture, which is for women, and that costs £645. So, you want to smell like the real thing, you can purchase that. Now this is really nice. It opens up very fruity, peachy, melon, and just gives me that summer vibes. Yeah, I really like it. The notes are raspberry, peach, passion fruit, rose, oud, amongst other stuff. But I really like it. Yeah, I wore it the other day. Lasted quite a while. The projection was at least an hour, 2 hours, and probably 4 or 5 hours. I could still smell it. So for the price, it's relatively good. Yeah, the price is, I paid, I think I got it off eBay, £18, $17.99. So it's very cheapy. But I saw it on another website for £9.95. So do a little research and look around. But yeah, I really like it. If you want a nice fruity fragrance, inexpensive, you know, bottle's really nice as well, then yeah, I'd say check it out. Yeah, it's really nice. You know, for the price, you can't really go wrong, to be honest. But yeah, wearing occasions, I'd say more summer maybe. But you could wear it in the winter as well, actually. But it's fruity. Yeah, I don't think it really has to be. Yeah, it's not dense that in the winter it would be wetter, but in the summer it's nice and fruity. It's not as fresh fruity, it's more juicy fruity. Now I could smell raspberry, and it's got a bit of oud in there. I can't really smell the oud though, but yeah, it's quite a solid fragrance really. I really like it, especially for the price. You can't go wrong, you know? Yeah, definitely check it out. Violet Sapphire. Love the bottle. The bottle is really nice. Yeah. Anyway, this is a quick review. I do quick reviews just like my YouTube shorts. Keep them short and sweet. I see the attention span is not holding for 10 minutes and 8 minutes anymore. So gotta try and rush them, get them in, but get as much information as I can. So it's Violet Sapphire, came out in 2018. Got off eBay, £18, but you can get it for cheaper. As raspberry, peach, passion fruit. And it's really nice. Yeah, solid. Fragrance World, they're a website that I think they clone other fragrances, but they have a lot of their own stuff as well. So yeah, check their website out as well. They have quite a lot. Not sure where they're based. There's not much information about them. Even when you type this in, it doesn't come up straight away. It comes up with other sites. So yeah, the best place I got it was from eBay. But yeah, anyway, quick review. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. That's enough from me. Peace out. Make sure you like and subscribe, yeah?